Okay, so we're going to start with the dismantling first because I put it all together. This comes, can you see? I took the cord off too. Okay, so this is the base, and these are chamber pieces. So when you put it together, this is what it looks like. But I'm going to take it apart and put it together because putting it together and taking it apart was a problem for me. But let me show you the back of it first. So you have these parts right here that's supposed to line up with each other. So just make this, I'm saying this so you can make sure that it's in the right, it's facing the right way. Okay, so I'm going to turn it back to the front. And it has the max, well, it has, I don't know if you can see the symbol for the lock. It's right above the word max, and the symbol for the unlock, which is here, right? So take it out of the, that's what worked for me. Now, if I'm doing it wrong, please somebody let me know in the comments. And you're going to take it out of the base and just turn it to the right, and it comes out. All right, so now here is the, called the auger, that looks like that. Here is the strainer and the brush, and they actually come apart. And I want to show you this part. That little wheel in there is made for the brusher to fit in, and you see this has grooves, so that's supposed to fit in there like that. It'll fit in, and then when it spins, it kind of spins it around. All right, so now I'm going to put it back together. The strainer goes in the brusher, and make sure you get that right, get it in right. It should click. So I'm going to take it apart so you know that it clicks in. Okay? Now, I'm going to put the chamber. Oh, remember, this goes to the back part. Then I'm going to add the brush and the strainer, the brush and the strainer, and here. And that's going to click a little bit too. So, there are grooves. There are grooves that it'll fit into. So I'm going to take it out and I'm going to slide back in. Now, you're going to put the auger in and press it. And if it doesn't go all the way down, it should fit snug. It's not going all the way down. That means this is in wrong. I think it's in. Now this should fit snug. Yep, it's snug right in there. If it doesn't go right in, it's not in correctly. Now this part goes in like that, and you're going to turn it to the left. My left, probably your right. Let's take it apart again. But if you notice, I can't take it out when it's in the base. So you have to take it out the base and turn it towards you. Now we're going to put it in again. And it click right in. Okay? So that's how it works. And then the plug goes in the back. I hope you understand how I got it in there, because every time I've looked, now I'm sure there's videos how to put it together, but every time I've looked at videos, all I see is a beautiful juicer, and I don't know how they got it together. So that's why I wanted to do this video. So now the first thing I want to juice is some kale. We're doing all green juices again. I made about 12 jars last night. I'm going to make 12, well, I bought double the amount, so I'm going to make probably 20 tonight, and guess what? I bought some ginger shot glasses, so I'm gonna make some turmeric ginger shots. So follow me on this journey, Deneen Marcel Beauty. Yes, I talk about skincare. I'm a lash artist by trade, but I'm trying to get healthy. I'm doing this because I need to lower my cholesterol, and we want our skin to look great from the inside out. So follow me for tips. This is my lifestyle channel, and this is just one of the many things I'll be sharing.